guys, today I got this Tesla rim protectors that got sent to me. We're gonna go ahead and install them and see how they look. Ever since I got my car with those 21-inch rims, I was actually worried to actually scratch them on the rim because obviously they're black and anything will actually just show, on the rim. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Inside the box, we're gonna find 4 of the rim protectors. They have a nice coating finish to it. I really like the way they look. They're also gonna come with this foams. This foams go installed around the lip of the rim protector. This is just so that way they don't vibrate or create any extra noise on the car. So let's go ahead and get installed these foams, and then let's go ahead and get them installed on the car. The application for this is very simple. Okay, there you go. We finished our first one, and this one is ready to get installed to the car. So now you're gonna guide yourself by going with this, and you're gonna simply just push it in, and you're gonna hear that clicking sound. There you go. They look pretty nice, and now your rim is protected from the edges. And even if you already scratch your rim, this will restore the look onto your car and give it a nice brand new look. Go ahead and do the other 3 wheels. Okay guys, so my rims are now protected. They actually look great. The material is very similar to the coating of the black paint right here. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.